Eurasia's leading woodworking and furniture production exhibition, Woodex, opens the gateway to Eurasia's premier woodworking and furniture production hub, where innovation meets craftsmanship. Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event. Explore advanced CNC machinery, automated production lines, sustainable wood materials, surface coatings, fittings, and cutting-edge tools, all in one dynamic exhibition. Connect with global manufacturers, suppliers, and designers, witness live demonstrations, and discover solutions to optimize efficiency and product quality. Woodex is more than a trade show. It's a center for networking, professional growth, and industry insight. From upstream timber processing to downstream furniture production, the exhibition fosters collaboration, sustainable practices, and partnerships that drive the woodworking and furniture industry forward. Stay ahead of trends, evaluate innovations firsthand, and expand your market reach at Woodex. Eurasia's leading woodworking and furniture production exhibition, Woodex, is an event, and I like events. Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.